Once upon a time, in a village nestled between rolling hills and blooming meadows, lived a wise elder named Master Li. He was known far and wide for his radiant smile and unwavering contentment. People from distant lands would journey to seek his counsel on the secrets to a happy life. One sunny morning, a curious traveler named Hero arrived at the village, intrigued by the tales of Master nWisdom. Hero approached the elder with a humble heart and asked, "Master Li, what are the secrets to leading a truly happy life?" Master Li nodded, his eyes sparkling with kindness, and began to share his wisdom. Secret 1. Embrace gratitude. Master Li taught Hero that happiness starts with acknowledging the blessings we have. Each day, he advised, take a moment to appreciate the simple joys, the rustling leaves, a warm cup of tea, or a caring friend. Secret 2. Cultivate kindness. The second secret was about spreading kindness like wildflowers. Master Li encouraged Hero to perform small acts of kindness, not only for others, but for herself as well. He explained that kindness creates a ripple effect of positivity that can brighten even the darkest of days. Secret 3. Live in the present. Master Li emphasized the importance of being present in every moment. He shared stories of his own life experiences, teaching Hero that dwelling on the past or worrying about the future steals away the joy of the present. Secret 4. Forge meaningful connections. The wise elder spoke of the significance of nurturing relationships with loved ones and the community. He stressed that genuine connections provide a sense of belonging and support during life's trials. Secret 5. Pursue passions. Finally, Master Li revealed the 5th secret, pursuing one's passions. He explained that engaging in activities that bring joy and fulfillment is key to leading a happy and purposeful life. As the days turned into weeks, Hero learned and practiced these 5 secrets with the guidance of Master Li. He embraced gratitude, performed acts of kindness, lived in the present, strengthened his relationships, and delved into his passions. One day, as Hero was about to bid farewell to the village, he realized something profound. The secrets to a happy life weren't just a list of practices, they were a way of being. Hero understood that true happiness was not found in material possessions or external circumstances, but in the choices she made every day. With a heart full of gratitude, Hero left the village with newfound wisdom, carrying the 5 secrets of a happy life within him. And so, his journey continued, spreading joy and inspiration to all those he met along the way.